Well, very, 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 very good cold morning to all of you. It's the 1st of February, February 1st, 2025. And just look around me, it's cold. It's frost everywhere. Minus 3 degrees Celsius. Sorry. Yeah, we're going to do some flying today and go through the forest and see how the active track will work through the forest, and do a little flying around after that. I don't want to make it a that long video because at this moment I am alone, so that's good. I'm all alone here just with the Neo. But very shortly, people could arrive because there's a scouting group further up in the forest, and I do believe we could see some people coming and showing up today. But right now, I'm all alone, so we're going to see how the active track on the Neo will work in the forest, and I'll give you some information about this place here where we are, the Belevenisabos. It is cold, so bear with me here. Okay, just activate the Neo and get the Neo airborne. There it goes. Lovely. Mr. Humphreys, yeah, I keep calling it Mr. Humphreys, but okay, just all I have to do now is draw a box around me. You won't see that box. I do see it on my controller. So I draw a box around me. It's a green box, and that will be the active track. So it will be following me. And I've done it now. See what it does. There it goes. It is following me. Absolutely great. Yep. Okay, I'm very curious what the Neo is going to do because we're going to enter a forest here with trees everywhere, branches everywhere. So this is the first tree right in front of me. See how it goes, and it will be more dense and dense as we enter the forest. I have to be careful here. It is slippery. I don't see any mud pools anymore like last time, but maybe because of frost, the ground is hard, but is a little slippery, so I've got to be careful. So we're just going to walk over here and cross the bridge, and hopefully the Neo will follow me. It's still following me. You can see all the twigs and all that on the left and the right, so we're going to see what it does. Okay, I can see we got a little problem here with satellites, so we're going to be checking the satellites. Let's get through here, and I got 11 to 12 satellites. The more satellites you have, the better it is. Okay, crossing the bridge. It is cold, but the water is not yet freezing, but this is the first day of frost, so. And now all around me here, this is where a lot of kids play when the weather is good. On the right, you have a lot of, this climb activity thing, where you can all play on and just, do things. It really is great. Once this water isn't deep, so if a child should fall in the water, no worries. It really isn't that deep. Except the child will get wet, and that's a risk. Okay, so we've got to be careful here because it is a little slippery, and I do see a mud pool in front of me, so we're going to have to go on this side of the track. But this is called the Belevenisabos once again, where kids can play here in this play forest. I used to come here a lot of times with my kids when they were small. Absolutely great. Back where we were, when I took off on that table, the adults usually, just have their cup of coffee, cup of tea, or eat there, and the kids come here in this forest to play. Oh what's a tree there? And I can walk on this side. So once again, yeah, I used to come here a lot of times with the kids when they were smaller because it really is great. Here on the left, you can see, what is it, some climbing activity thing. Climbing over those boards there, and platforms and ropes and all that. But there's also mud there, so we're not going to walk there. Here at the water on the left, we've got a bridge where they can walk over, and they got this, what is it, a log that they can also cross over for balance, for balancing and all that. Once again, the water is not deep, so it's very safe. And we're going to go this way. So yeah, the Neo is doing actually pretty good. No worries yet. Wait. Okay, I spoke too soon. The Neo has problems seeing me now. Come on. It's focused on a tree. So it lost me on the active track. There I am. Hello, Neo. Come on, boy. Come on. Let's go. Follow me. Here we go. Yeah. All right. It's got a little difficult, so I'm going to cross this part right here, this tree. See if it can come and follow me. Come on, Neo. Come on, Mr. Humphreys. That's a boy. Okay. Here we go. So, yeah, for €200, you got this drone, a great drone. It comes with a battery, and it comes with spare props, propellers. You have the Fly More combo is more expensive, but then you do get 3 batteries and the charger and the extra props. And for even more money, you have a controller. Not the controller that I have, but you do have a controller where you can place your phone on, fly with that. And I even think you now have a combo with the goggles. And you have this first-person view for flight, so that you have the goggles and you have a motion controller. Across the bridge here. Once again, it's -3 degrees Celsius. The water is no ice on the water yet, but this is the first real cold day. So maybe tomorrow or the day after tomorrow there will be ice. Let's cross here. And you can see the Neo really does a great job. Come on. Ooh, just missed a tree there. It does a great job. Once again, it does not have any obstacle avoidance. So it really does a great job. And I have at home a €1,000 drone called the Mini 4 Pro. And I'm having a lot more fun with a €200 drone. So how's that? Okay, just come here, and we're almost through the forest. Absolutely loving this thing. I mean, I'm also following this chap from the UK who also flies his drone, his Neo, through a forest. Absolutely love that one. There is a car. No, it's just a car just arriving there. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to stop the active track and manually land the drone on the table and put another battery in there. Let's see. Okay, cancel active track and a manual flight, and we're going to land on the bench here. Touch down on the bench and place a new battery. Hold on there. Spare with me. Be right back. Okay, well, here we go again. A new battery in the drone, in the Neo. I don't want to fly that long anymore because it really, really, really is cold. But this is healthy cold. I mean, it's -3, but you can better have this cold than different colds. You know, the rain cold or whatever you call it. This is healthy. This is good. All right. I'm just going to go a little overview flight here because there are more people coming for the scouting club. So get just above the tree lines and show you the view from above. And I have a feeling that it might be a lovely scenery because with that fog or mist hanging around, I'm now flying through mist. Wow. Okay, this is nice. I have to get a little more up because I'm just at the tree lines here. And we don't want to bump into anything, trees or whatever, so we'll be climbing a little bit more. So you see the tree just to my left. Here we go. Let's go a little more up. Yeah, we're going to climb a little more so that we won't have any problems with trees. But, wow, let's see. There's a car, there's another car coming up. So, yeah, it is getting busy. And up there in the distance is where the scouting group is, somewhere in that forest. So, yeah, more people are coming. So I don't want to make the video a lot more longer. Just maybe for one extra 5 or 8 minutes. I have no idea. But I do want to show you the scenery from above. And it really looks fantastic on the controller. I don't know how this is if I look on my TV. But what I'm seeing right now, because I am... let's just get the drone a little higher. I think this is going to be a great view. Come on. Let's go higher. Yeah. All right, we're now going to 60 meters. You're allowed to go 120 meters. Well... Go gimbal, yeah. All right, I'm good. I'm safe. I went too low with the gimbal. I mean, look at this. You can see the blue sky above. That would mean that I am above the fog or mist line. I don't know really the difference between fog and mist. I thought they were both the same, only... I don't know. I think fog and mist might be the same. Not too sure. Might Google that, what the difference is. But look at this, ladies and gentlemen. I'm above the fog or mist line. And look at that. Sunrise. Sunrise. The sun is coming up. And this is a lovely... Look at this scenery. It's like out of a fairy tale. Absolutely beautiful. This is, wow, I really love this. This is great, a great view. What's that? Okay, that is not a cloud in the distance. That is what I believe is the smoke from the chimney of the Maxima power station. So I do believe that is from the Maxima power station up in the distance there, because it looks more like smoke than that it is a cloud. Yeah, it's the Maxima power station there. But just look at the scenery. It is beautiful. Wow. Absolutely flipping fantastic. Just look at all that fog, that mist down below, covering the city and the forest. You can't even see the city. Maybe on the TV you could, I don't know. But on my screen here, I can't. This is really beautiful. A beautiful sight. A really lovely sight. Okay. Wow. I mean, this part right here is just like out of a fairy tale. Lovely. Absolutely lovely. So, yeah, I'm really happy with this drone. Once again, it's only a €200 drone, and I'm having more fun with this drone than with my Mini 4 Pro. So just imagine a Mini, what is it, a Neo 2 or a Neo Pro coming out, but just with the same size as this one, but just with that better camera. I would definitely buy it. I mean, look at this. This is absolutely fantastic. Yeah, with the Mini 4 Pro, if I would have done this, it would have been better video quality. But come on, this is a very small drone, and I'm really flipping loving this. I'm going lower now. because there's a bicycle coming, there's someone on a bike coming. So yeah, it is getting busier. So I definitely recommend people getting a drone like this. Even if you do not love drone flying, this will convince you. This is lovely. Great to do. You don't need a controller, just your phone. I do have a controller because it's also compatible with my Mini 4 Pro. So I do have this RC2 controller. All right. We're going to go to the car and see if I can land on the car and just, yeah, call it a day. I really hope that you enjoy this video, but, you know, I could go over there in the distance, but I don't think so. I just think I'm just going to go home, just have a nice warm cup of tea. Let's get down here, right on the rooftop. Yeah, right above it. And land it. And here we go. 1, 2, 3. And we're almost there. And touchdown. Absolutely lovely. I really love the Neo. Great drone. Really love it. Yeah. Hope you also enjoyed the video. I was thinking of going over there where we usually fly, but I don't think I'm going to do that today. Maybe tomorrow, I don't know, but I could go over there, but I think I'm going to do that tomorrow, so bear with me then. All right, I'm going to pack this thing in and go for a cup of tea.